The Water Cycle by Miranda Ballard, Liz Murrah, Lainey Self, and Lauren Vella. The water cycle describes the existence and movement of water in, on, and above Earth. The 4 parts of the water cycle are evaporation, condensation, runoff, and precipitation. Evaporation is the first step of the water cycle. It happens when the sun's energy is used to break up water molecules into water vapor, which is a gas. These particles of gas are then absorbed into the atmosphere and are combined up in the sky. Similar to evaporation is transpiration, but instead of the sun absorbing water from the ocean or the ground, it absorbs droplets of water from trees and plants. So all of the drops of water that you see left over on leaves from rainstorms are then absorbed from the sun into the atmosphere. These droplets of water are converted into gas, which then allows condensation to take place. Condensation is the next step of the water cycle. Condensation is when water vapor gets cold and is transformed into liquid water. This process is responsible for the formation of clouds, which could lead to precipitation. Condensation is also responsible for things you see every day, including ground level fog, glasses fogging up, humid days, water forming on the inside of a window, and water dripping off of a cold glass. Precipitation is water released from clouds in the form of rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, or hail. It is the primary connection in the water cycle that provides for the delivery of atmospheric water to the earth. Rain is moisture condensed from the atmosphere that falls visibly in separate drops. Snow is atmospheric water vapor frozen into ice crystals and falling in light white flakes or lying on the ground as a white layer. Hail is pellets of frozen rain that falls in showers from cumulonimbus clouds. Sleet is a form of precipitation consisting of ice pellets, often mixed with rain or snow. Runoff is precipitation, rain, sleet, snow, that did not get absorbed into the soil or did not evaporate with the other precipitation. Only about 35% of precipitation ends up as runoff. The other 65% accounts for water that is absorbed into the soil or gets evaporated. Runoff makes its way from ground surfaces into places where water collects, such as lakes, rivers, streams, and ultimately the ocean. Even the smallest streams are connected to large rivers that carry billions of gallons of water into our oceans. Runoff creates erosion and therefore carries substances from ground surfaces into the lakes and rivers. The substances can include sediments, nutrients from lawn fertilizers, bacteria from animals and human waste, pesticides from lawn and garden chemicals, and metal from rooftops and roadways. Because of this, runoff can be seen as a problem as it can create water pollution. Now let's do a quick review. The water cycle's main phases are evaporation, transpiration, condensation, precipitation, and runoff. Thanks for listening, and we hope that you will always be able to remember that all the parts of the water cycle are so important to us every single day.